binary tree level order traversal on Leetcode. It's a medium problem. But yeah, if you're familiar with binary trees, it shouldn't be that bad, really. So basically, you're doing a breadth first search or level order traversal, and you're going through each. So when you're traversing level by level, you're adding that to a list. So we'll have like an outer list and then an inner list, I guess you could say. And so the root, of course, will be by itself because it's the only one on this level. And then in this example, 9 and 20, and then 15 and 7 will be on the third level. And then, yeah, also if there's no values on root, if it's empty, basically, we're going to return empty array. So yeah, first I guess we'll handle the empty array scenario. So I guess we'll call it outer list, and then we'll have an array list of ints. And then if root equals null, we'll just return the outer list. So that'll handle example 3. And let me change this real quick. Okay. And then so we'll also have a queue, which will be a linked list of ints, or tree nodes actually, because we want to traverse the tree nodes in the linked list, or the queue. And so we'll add the root to the queue if it's not empty, and then we'll just check the size of the queue. While the size of the queue is bigger than 0, so basically if it's not empty, yeah, first we'll get the size, so we'll only traverse the current number of elements on the level. So we'll do q.size, and we want to call that every time. That's why we're doing that. We want to get the current level of each traversal. Okay, and then we'll also create our inner list of ints. So that's what will get passed into the outer list. So this is the level list, basically. Yeah, so we'll loop through those, or we'll go for however many tree nodes are in the queue. We're gonna traverse and add that to the inner list, and also add any of the left or right children. Okay, and so first we'll get the tree node. So q.poll, can't type. And then yeah, so we'll check if the tree node is null or not. And if it's not null, which of course it won't be, but so we'll add the value to the list, that inner list. It'll be tree node val. You have to put the backticks because in Kotlin val is a keyword. Yeah, so but then we'll also check the tree, if the tree nodes are null, the left and right children are null, and if not, we'll add them to the queue. So, and just to make it, I guess, more clear, we'll do this. We'll do the same thing with the right children. Or, yeah. Okay, and then yeah, at the end of the list we'll add, or yeah, outer list. At the end of the we finish after we gone through the loop, we'll add the inner list to the outer list. So then at the end, after we have no more in the queue, we'll just return the outer list. And yeah, I think that should be good. I'll just do the example test case. No, so I missed something. Oh, so really, I want this to be an array list. My keys are not okay. Okay, that looks good. I'll try all of the examples so we can check the one we just wrote or none. And okay, so all of that's good. So I'll submit it, and it faster than 6 point. It's like a horrible runtime, but yeah. Uh, so yeah, that's the binary tree level order traversal 102 on Leetcode, and yep, that's it.